Hey everyone, so in celebration of Passover on Friday, I'm going to be making matzo ball soup. Its history dates back to the days of Moses, when he led the Jews out of Egypt. The Jewish people had no time to pack food before leaving, so instead of eating the bread they were used to eating, they ate an unleavened mixture of flour and water, which when laid out flat would bake in the sun. And out of respect for their ancestors, the Jewish people only eat unleavened forms of bread for Passover. And matzo bread is one of those forms of bread. Matzo balls are made by grinding down matzo bread and mixing it with water, eggs, and fat, usually chicken fat. In 1888, the Manischewitz Company began its production of matzo, and to this day, it remains the most popular brand of unleavened bread in the world. Alright, let's cook. Alright, so we're going to start out with the matzo ball mix. So here I got 3 beaten eggs, 3/4 of a cup of matzo meal. We're going to do 1 1/4 teaspoons of kosher salt. Three tablespoons of club soda. And 1/4 cup of schmaltz, which is rendered chicken fat, and this should be melted when you add it. Alright, so we're starting out the soup by sweating out the carrots. A little bit of oil, medium-high heat, for a couple minutes. The next thing I'm doing here is adding my shredded chicken breast. The chicken breast I cooked in with the stock in my last video. Now I'm just adding the chicken stock. Alright, got it up to a boil, so now I'm just dropping it to a simmer. I'm going to cook it until the carrots are tender. Okay, so I got a pot of salted boiling water. Should be salty enough that it tastes like the ocean, basically. And I got my matzo balls ready, so I'm just going to be dropping them in. I'm going to go ahead and turn this down, because we want these to be simmering. If they're boiling, it's going to fall apart in the pot. Alright, now we're going to set a timer for 35 minutes. We're at a good simmer now, so I'm going to go ahead and cover the pot. Alright, it's been 35 minutes, so I'm just pulling the matzo balls out now. Soup is finished, so all that's left is to eat. Thanks for watching.